How to use Vivace. 1. Apply local or topical anesthesia. 2. Cleanse the skin after 20 minutes. 3. Prepare and set the laser.
This device can operate both red and blue LED. It can be set to two RF frequencies of 1 MHz and 2 MHz. The switch can be controlled by hand or foot. And a maximum of 4 programs can be loaded. Input data can be easily recalled and used. Users can set the level, needle depth, and RF time according to the treated area.
Four. Apply the laser starting from the cheeks, jaw, and neck. 5. Cleanse again with a sponge or puff. 6. Apply soothing and rejuvenation cream.